That's my cousin. He's at the entrance.
That sounds like a freaking train.
It is.
It is.
So it is a train horn.
It's a PG, everybody. PG.
CSX train horn.
Are you recording already?
We got to figure out what to do with those
Are you
rocks.
recording, Chris?
Yeah.
What's that?
Make it as your
Well, I think
ringtone.
we don't, in the winter to cool there, but in the winter time,
I think he went
That's the Grayling. They flushed out last night. Home colors.
CSX is calling right now saying, oh, we had a train running tonight. What's up? When did they put the tracks in?
You know, you can tell when he has a little too much disposable income.
good tuning.
Goodness.
He's in game.
Bob, nice job on the tuning.
I'm sure he's in jail right now. Because he's way down there. He's way down there.
Mother!
Hey!
We're not taping. You guys taping.
We are taping.
You got earplugs in?
It'll get loud.
They
when
were
it's-
headsets.
When he goes beyond this telephone pole, it'll get
He's gonna go buy and then come back.
Yeah.
This is like playing Dungeons and Dragons. Oh God!
You're lucky he doesn't have full pressure.
Yeah.
Doppler! Doppler! Oh baby! Right there, that's science in action. And now for our next lesson, we're gonna learn about combustion.
to be going that fast.
He's coming back.
No, not slow. You gotta.
He's coming back.
You gotta be going fast.
Were you up in the high ground there?
Yeah.
Hey, it was
coming.
still detectable. It was still detectable. That Doppler effect was still detectable.
Oh man!
A frequency shift. That's all that was.
Compression, wave.
Okay, I recorded
It
it. Now
happens
how
with
do I
light
play?
also. But you know how
You
fast
did
you be going?
video, didn't
You have to
you?
go
That's
0.98, and that red light will turn.
Did you? Where's my video?
We need something to
He's saying, get the hell out!
The video is Billy in the passenger seat with his fingers in his ear.
And he does this.
But
Why?
Billy's right now.
'Cause he
Billy's
can.
like,
Because he
I
can.
totally can't tell the Doppler effect. It sounds the same.